Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the always-on display features in the Samsung Galaxy M31 device. So as you can see here friends, in the Samsung Galaxy M31 device, you also do get the always-on display which you can find on the notification tray here. So if you long press the always-on display feature, you will get this kind of option where you need to select the always-on display. So here you have only the three different options where you can just select tap to show the time for 10 seconds or show continuously. So I would prefer to use the show continuously because the battery of the Samsung Galaxy M31 has 6000 mAh of battery. Definitely I'll be testing the how long you can actually use the always on display and how much the battery drain will be there for every 1 hour. So definitely guys, I'll be doing the separate video on that, but in this video I'm just want to give clarity about how is the interface looks like and what are the different options you do get with the phone. So as you can see friends, the interface is pretty similar to the normal. As you can see, you just only get the time, date and battery percentage here, that's it. And you also get the notifications as well. As you can see friends, right now I'm downloading the application from the Play Store, as you can see here clearly. So you can see the download symbol right now here friends, as you can see here. So finally friends, at least you can see the notifications on the always on display, which is not present in the Realme X always on display functionality. So which is another advantage in the Samsung Galaxy M31 device. So definitely friends, I'll be posting the side-by-side comparison with the other always on display smartphones as well. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. So if you get any notification, you just need to double click on the notification, so it will automatically take you to the application. So overall friends, that's it for this video friends, and definitely stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.